So I'm going to be making some sweet potato fries. First things first, I'm going to peel the skin off. Alright, so everything is peeled. I'm going to go ahead and cut them up in 1/2 inch slices. You'll see. So I'm not gonna lie, that first batch was hard to get through. So for this one, I think it's gonna be a little bit easier. I cut it in half, and now I'm just gonna cut it into strips, and I think that'll be easier than the way that I did it before. So this is the final product, and I'm not gonna use the smaller one. I'm just gonna keep this in the fridge and use it with my sweet potato hash because, I mean, it's so small. It was embarrassing compared to this, so. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in a bowl, mix it up, toss it with my seasonings, and put it in the oven. These are my seasonings for today. I like mine a little bit sweet, so that's why I'm doing cinnamon and nutmeg. But yeah, I'm just gonna sprinkle this. I already put about 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. So you see that little drizzle. I'm about to add my seasonings and toss it up. This is smelling so cinnamony and delicious. Oh my gosh, I just tossed it literally just like this. Tossed it around. So I'm gonna put it on some parchment paper, spread it out, and put it in the oven for about 20 minutes, flip it over, and it's on 400 degrees. All right, I am about to make my vegan street meat. I know it doesn't sound that good, but it's actually very tasty. So I'm gonna cut these up into strips and cook them like fajita style. And you'll see what I mean in a second. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dice these into thin slices and get it prepped to be cooked. All right, so everything is chopped up. I'm about to saute it, give it that fajita type, you know, just aroma. I can smell it already. I'm so excited. So I just flipped these over. I'm going to put them back in the oven for another 5 to 10 minutes, but they're in pretty good shape right now. So I put about a tablespoon of oil in here, and I'm just gonna move it around the pan to get it saturated all over, and then add in my veggies. So they are browning up very nicely. I'm gonna let it cook some more while I cook my vegan meat. This is the final product. So good. Oh my gosh. Cannot wait to eat this with my sandwich. So this is the meat that I'm using, the Beyond sausage, the brat. This is a little pricey, I'm not even gonna lie, but it's tasty, it doesn't have soy, and you know, you gotta treat yourself sometimes. It has 16 grams of protein, so that's really, really good. So I'm going to just cook this in the pan for about 6 minutes. So for this part, I had to do voiceover because that thing is popping like bacon grease. And then I just put this on low heat. They're looking really, really good. So I'm just gonna keep them warm on low. And then this is just, it's cooking more and more. Added those red peppers because it wasn't as brown as I wanted it to be. And this is the final product. So freaking good, y'all. Like, y'all have to try it. And if y'all are from LA or any like big city, you know the love of street meat. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.